Can't fall asleep? That's not your fault. Your body just doesn't know how to relax yet. Give me a few minutes and I'll help you switch it off.
1. Child's pose. Balasana. Benefits. Relieves stress and tension. Gently stretches the back and hips. Calms the nervous system. Two. Legs. Up the wall. Viparita Karani. Benefits. Improves blood circulation. Reduces leg fatigue. Helps you fall asleep faster. Three. Reclining bound angle, Supta Baddha Konasana. Benefits. Deeply relaxes the body, opens the chest and hips, slows down. Breathing 4. Seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Benefits. Reduces stress and anxiety, stretches the spine and hamstrings, calms the mind. Five. Cat-cow stretch, Marjaryasana, Bitilasana. Benefits. Releases tension in the spine, improves breathing, relaxes the body. Six. Supine twist, Supta Matsyendrasana. Benefits. Relieves lower back tension, improves digestion, promotes relaxation. Seven. Happy baby pose, Ananda Balasana. Benefits. Relieves hip and lower back tension, reduces stress, calms the nervous system. Eight. Knees to chest, Apanasana. Benefits. Relieves lower back pressure, supports digestion, promotes relaxation. Nine. Standing forward, fold, Uttanasana. Benefits. Reduces stress and fatigue, improves blood flow to the brain, relaxes the nervous system. Corpse pose, Savasana. Benefits. Promotes deep relaxation, reduces anxiety and stress, improves sleep quality.
Do these poses before bed, and your body will fall asleep naturally. If this helped you relax, don't forget to like and subscribe for more peaceful routines. Good night and sleep well.